What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are on the Cybertruck studios, and next to me is a big old box. This video was made possible by you guys, and especially those who use my referral code when purchasing their brand new Tesla. Why? Because I used some of that points to go pick up the official Tesla Cybertruck Mud Flaps. So Mud Flaps are one of those accessories that all of my cars have to have, and I figured, you know what? Let's go check out the Cybertruck, the official ones from Tesla, and see how they are. All right, so I don't quite understand why this is such a huge box, but as you can see, there are 4 different pieces. I haven't really looked at which is which, but there's 2 different sizes. One is bigger than the other, and it does come with these nice, I guess, bags. But I don't know if you're gonna continue to use them once you install them. So yeah. So we have, this is probably for the rear, and this smaller one is probably for the front ones. They look no different than aftermarket ones, at least. I don't think they do. I haven't seen the aftermarket versions, but they do have like the Tesla logo and stuff here. But it also comes with, where did it go? Oh, it also comes with a bag of fasteners and clips and screws. But yeah, let's go and check it out. So what's really cool is if you go on Tesla's website, on the product page, there's actually a link to the installation manual. They didn't print it out and included it in here. It's all digital, I guess, to, you know, cut on cost. But I don't know, again, I don't know why this is such a huge box, but it's a really cool box though. It's a really cool, and it's not even heavy. You could go check out the installation manual. I mean, it's pretty straightforward and easy. I'll put the link in the video description if you want to go check it out before you purchase it. So one of the first things it tells you to do is turn the steering wheel to the left so you have more room to access the clips and fasteners. But just as a reminder, if your car's been sitting or your truck's been sitting, it's not going to move. So you have to press on the brake pedal to turn it on, and then you could turn it. You want to also do is raise the ride height, and you could do that from the app. I love this feature. Check it out, and look how fast that thing just raises up. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. There is bolts actually underneath, so that's why I wanted to raise it up. And I also have my trusty LBC cardboard box that I use often. So on the front one, we have 2 push pins here, and unlike aftermarket kits, Tesla does not provide a pry tool, but you could use a flathead screwdriver to pretty much pry or pull out those push pins. All right, so there's like these 2 small holes. I don't know if you could see them. Use, I think, T27. Torx T27. So it looks like the hole fits okay, and we can just screw it on. Now keep in mind that the new push pins are longer in length because you are adding something else here, so that's why they're longer. Don't use the existing ones, use the ones that come with the mud flap kit. All right, there you have it. Those are the 2 screws right, where'd it go? Those are the 2 screws right there, and the clips here. So pretty sturdy. All right, so in the rear we have 3 that we need to remove. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm running out of light, so we're gonna go grab a light real quick. All right, so the rear ones look like we're gonna be using the 10mm bolts according to the instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this part of the bumper. The truck is dirty, but like I said, I love dirty trucks. So I'm gonna wipe this part just so that the color matches the mud flap because it's new. Look at that. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to pretty much gain access to the wheel liner. You need to get behind it, and I use a flathead screwdriver just to expose that. The reason for that is they have these like U-clips. These, otherwise, when you try to put these bolts in, it's not gonna grab onto anything. It's loose, like the hole is big. So what this does is it adds thread to that area. So you need to install these U-clips so that these bolts have something to grab onto. Here is where you put the clips. All right, hopefully you could see it there. Those silver squares are the clips themselves that I put inside the liner. So this is the liner that you peel back or peel open. Now we're gonna put it back. All right, so now you can put those 10mm bolts or screws because they have something to grab onto now. You can tighten it now. Not like before. Without it, it's just gonna fall. Oops, I forgot to remove a screw there. Whoops. The instruction says use a pry tool to remove. It's not for a pry tool. T27. So just have that handy. It's the same T27 that I've used on the other clips. All right, so is it on there pretty good? I think so. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side, and it's already dark. By the way, if you're hearing like clicking and clacking sounds, it's this. I have mosquitoes here. All right, so this is the screw I forgot to remove on the other side on the rear. Whoops, so I'm gonna remove it now before putting in the mud flap, T27. All right, so I think it's pretty sturdy. See, it's sturdy. Would I off-road with these on? I don't know. Maybe I have to remove them, but I don't off-road as much. But we are going to be getting some rain soon. Rare rain, so these mud flaps are going to be put to use. Even though we didn't really need them before, but I just like the way they look. All my cars have mud flaps. I gotta have the mud flaps. Just make them look a little different. It's one of the easier accessories to install. Although this one, compared to the other mud flaps for the other vehicles, this one is a little bit more involved, but it's not too difficult to install. I'm gonna get up now. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm gonna put some B-roll during the daytime because it's night. I'll do B-roll in the morning and show you guys what this looks like. Big shout out once again to those who have used my referral code, because I get points, y'all get discounts, I get points, and those points I end up spending on gear and accessories, and I do videos on them, so much appreciated. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Big shout out to the homie Erwin, my twin brother from another mother, who hooked me up with this shirt. If you know who this character is, bonus points for those in the comments. Tell me if you know who this person is and what movie he's from, and if you could sing the song. All right, I'll see you on the next one.